case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
A legal collision between a motorcycle and a car on a rainy day in 1972 set the stage for an intriguing ruling by the Oregon Supreme Court in Barnum v. Williams. Inclement weather, slick roads, and divergent decisions by two drivers navigating a sharp curve laid the foundation for a case that would underscore a key principle in tort law. A person who violates a motor vehicle statute can still escape a negligence charge if they behave as any reasonably prudent person would under the same circumstances. In this case, the uphill traveling plaintiff and the downhill traveling defendant, each maneuvering a tight curve on Vista Avenue in Portland, veered closer than comfort allowed. Envision the apprehensive defendant noticing the plaintiff dangerously astride the dividing yellow line, tapping the brakes, only to slide into the plaintiff's lane. That abrupt move prompted a collision, sparking a lawsuit for damages against the defendant. The presiding trial court, instructing the jury, emphasized that breaking the law can suggest negligence, but valid reasons and exercising reasonable safety precautions could counterweight this breach. The jury sided with the defendant, ruling that he had not breached his duty of care, a decision later challenged by the plaintiff. However, the plaintiff's appeal was deemed meritless by the higher court, culminating in a decision that affirmed the verdict of the lower court favoring the defendant. As a result, the defendant was not found liable for the accident, bolstering the doctrine that violation of a statute does not inherently constitute negligence if demonstrated otherwise through the standard of a reasonably prudent person.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of climb.